well, that's the end of the main event. We have run Heat 1 and Heat 2. We were all done and heading back to the paddock. Probably get ourselves some grub, get some rest, and we'll be back Sunday for an extra long course tomorrow. Ripping it up. We did not win. We're probably not going to win, but we're having a whole lot of fun. The car is surviving just great. Nothing is broken. I have not debated any tires or anything like that. So, yeah, so far, great success. Any day that we survive, I consider to be a success. Sean's doing a little bit better than me. And, you know, when it all comes down to it, we're in the running to get at least, you know, regional placement for our Iowa region. But yeah, we're having a lot of fun here at Nationals. It's going to be an awesome time. And I'll take you for a quick spin through the paddock to see some of the other cars and competitors. Guys out of Utah. Cool little RS Subaru over there. Cool little Miata. I think that's me squealing. Come back around. Subarus. This Ford RS right there has been ripping it up. It's been doing real good. Some BMWs back there. Lancer. Miata, another Miata, little VW Beetle, Preza, little Ford Escort, 323 GTX, the Fiat Abarth over there. So, quite a selection. It's been super fun, and we can't wait to rip it up again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.